Sanbonani and welcome to the Diary of Umtandazi. In these diary sessions, I hope to teach and share experiences of Umtandazi owembete amakhosi. Normally, when you are gifted with prayer and wembetwa amakhosi, you don't go through that initiation yokuthi ube ne-coach or ube nogobela where you go to a certain school and then they teach you everything. Umumbethwa amakhosi umthandazi, they teach you, they show you what exactly you need to do. Because of your gift is prayer. Everyone, yes, can pray, but you are gifted prayer that you pray and heal others. Kunomoya owembethiswe wona, lo moya owembethiswe wona umoya wamandla ukuthi wena mawukhuleka ukwazi ukuphilisa, ukwazi ukubusisa the next person. So if you are that gifted, you don't normally go through that normal initiation of someone coaching you or telling you things. They show up to you, they explain things to you, and you do exactly that. So in this series, I will be sharing my own experiences. I will be teaching so that you get to understand yourself. This is a request from God Himself and my guides. They want me to teach and share these experiences so that upcoming gifted prayer warriors can also learn and not go around consulting, trying to find who they really are. Because of if wembethwa amakhosi, you really need to pray and open your heart, and then things will start showing off. I would like for abanye abathandazi abambethwe wona amakhosi to also come and comment, like, and feel free to share their own experiences through the comment section so that we can help upcoming prayer warriors, abantu abaphiwe umthandazi, so that sizokhula isizwe sethu sabathandazi, sikwazi ukuphilisa, sikwazi ukubusisa, bese konke kuyalunga, bese konke kuhamba kahle. I love you so much, guys, and stay blessed.